The DJI Avata 360 has finally launched, and it's one of the most exciting FPV drones DJI has released in years. DJI has introduced a completely new idea, combining an FPV drone with a 360-degree camera system. That means creators can now capture an entire scene around the drone and choose the best angle later during editing. For drone pilots, filmmakers, and content creators, this opens up a lot of new creative possibilities. Compared to previous Avata drones, it brings major upgrades in video quality, control flexibility, and creative shooting modes. So let's take a closer look at the biggest features. The biggest upgrade: 8K 360-degree video. The headline feature of the Avata 360 is its dual-camera 360-degree system. Instead of capturing only what the drone is facing, the two cameras work together to record everything around the drone in a full spherical view. The drone can record 8K video at high frame rates, which gives creators very detailed footage for immersive videos and cinematic drone shots. This is one of the biggest differences compared with earlier Avata drones. Flexible shooting, 360 mode, and standard FPV mode. Unlike some 360 cameras that only record spherical video, the Avata 360 can also switch into a traditional FPV camera mode. In this mode, the drone behaves like a regular FPV drone and records standard video from a single lens. Faster and more powerful flight performance. The Avata 360 also improves flight performance compared with previous models. The drone can reach high speeds and long transmission distances, making it capable of dynamic FPV flying while still maintaining stable video transmission. Reports indicate that it can fly up to around 20 kilometers transmission distance in ideal conditions and reach speeds close to 40 miles per hour in sport mode. Improved flight time and battery efficiency. Battery life is another area where the Avata 360 improves over earlier models. Depending on flight conditions, the drone can deliver around 23 minutes of flight time, which is quite good for an FPV drone that focuses on performance and agility. This extended flight time gives creators more opportunities to capture footage without needing to swap batteries frequently. Advanced control options. Pilots can fly it using a traditional controller, smartphone control, or DJI's motion control system with FPV goggles. This gives users different ways to experience the drone depending on their skill level and preferred flying style. Intelligent tracking and smart features. The drone also includes several intelligent features that make filming easier. These include subject tracking, obstacle sensing, and automated shooting modes. These features help the drone follow moving subjects while avoiding obstacles during flight. Built-in storage and editing tools. The Avata 360 includes built-in storage along with support for memory cards, giving users more flexibility when recording high-resolution footage. DJI also provides editing tools, allowing creators to reframe 360 footage, track subjects, and create cinematic camera movements during editing. Designed for content creators. Overall, the Avata 360 feels like a drone designed specifically for creators. Its ability to capture immersive 360 video while still working as a traditional FPV drone makes it one of the most flexible drones DJI has produced. It combines creative video capabilities, immersive flying, and smart filming features, making it suitable for vloggers, filmmakers, and FPV enthusiasts. Final thoughts: the DJI Avata 360 is not just another small upgrade. It introduces a new style of drone filmmaking by combining FPV flight with 360-degree video capture. For more quick tech reviews and drone comparisons, subscribe to Smart Tech Radar, and I'll see you in the next video.